Hello class, how are you all? Today I am going to revise your definitions of lesson 1 to 4. Your question answers are left, so I am sending your question answers in PDF. Now, definition of lesson number 1 is what is classification? So, arranging things into groups on the basis of their characteristics is called classification. So, what is classification? Arranging things into groups on the basis of their characteristics. And what are characteristics? Characteristic is the quality of a person or thing. So, these are the definitions of lesson number 1. And diagram of lesson number 1 is things made of wood and plastic. These are the diagram of lesson number 1. Now I am showing two definitions and diagram of lesson number 2. So diagram of lesson number 2, living things and non-living things. And definition of sense organs and reproduction. So sense organs help us to know our environment. There are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. So what are sense organs? Sense organs help us to know our environment. There are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. What is reproduction? The process of produce young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. So what is reproduction? The process of produce young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. So they are the definitions of lesson number 2, and these are diagram living things and non-living things. Now you are on lesson number 3, and the lesson is plants. So what is the definition of climbers? So plants that have soft stem and need support to grow are called climbers. Example is money plant and grapevine. So what are climbers? Plants that have soft stem and need support to grow are called climbers. What are creepers? Plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. What are creepers? Plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. Example, pumpkin, watermelon. They are the example of creepers. Creepers have big fruit, so they can't stand straight, so they grow along the ground. And this is the diagram of lesson number 3. Diagram of parts of plant. So root, stem, leaves, fruit, flower, they all are the parts of plant. So these are the definitions of lesson number 3 and diagram of lesson number 3, and then after your definitions of lesson number 4. So before lesson number 4 definition, I am going to explain MCQs. So arranging things into groups on the basis of their characteristic is called classification. We classify things on the basis of similarities in characteristics, differences in characteristics, both of these. Now help us understand diversity. So which help understand diversity? Classification. So classification help us understand diversity. Now MCQs of lesson number 2. Now you can see, which of the following is a living thing? Toy, cat, table or pencil? Cat. Which of the following needs air, water and food to live? Plants. A can move on its own. Donkey. So donkey can move on its own. They are the MCQs of lesson number 2. Now MCQs of lesson number 3. Which part of a plant helps in making food? So which help? Leaves. Which part of a plant helps in absorbing water and minerals? Roots. Name the part of a plant that bears seeds. So fruits bears seed. So these are the MCQs of lesson number 3. Now MCQs of lesson number 4. Human skin is covered with hair. Fishes live in water. Animals move about to look for food. These are the MCQs of all 4 lesson 1 to 4. Now your definitions of lesson 4 are left, and the definitions are herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So what are herbivores? Animals that eat plants and plant products are called herbivores. Carnivores, animals who eat flesh of other animals are called carnivores, and the examples are lion and tiger. What is omnivores? Animals who eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. So they are the definitions and MCQs of all 4 lessons 1 to 4. Your 4 lessons will come in exam. So first of all, what you will do, you will learn definitions, draw diagram and learn MCQs. This is your today's work. What is the work? To learn definitions of all 4 lessons, to draw diagram of all 4 lessons and to do MCQs. Thank you very much, class.